Alright guys, so we're going to look at the mechanisms that we have in benzene punya topic, okay? So the first mechanism, okay, of benzene reaction is halogenation reaction. It is an electrophilic aromatic substitution type of reaction, okay? So here, this is the general, general chemical equation for this halogenation reaction. So halogenation reaction maksudnya you are going to gantikan H with Br ni, okay, in the presence of Lewis acid, okay, and then you will get bromobenzene and your side product HBr. Alright, so ada tiga steps. So the first step is the formation of electrophile, okay. So in this case, okay, for halogenation, you are going to form a complex, alright, a complex as your electrophile, bukan carbocation, bukan positive ion saja, bukan cation, okay. Awak form complex. Complex maksudnya dia ada positive charge dengan negative charge at the same time. Okay, how are we going to form that complex that will act as your electrophile? We are going to use Br2, react it with your Lewis acid. So Lewis acid ni akan membuatkan awak punya Br satu ni ada positive charge. So maksudnya bila dia ada positive charge, maksudnya dia tak cukup elektron, nanti awak akan easily remove this Br, okay. This Br akan jadi very vulnerable to nucleophilic attack. So susceptible, easy for nucleophiles to attack dia, okay. Senang untuk dia leave, okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the lone pair on Br and attack your iron, okay, your electrophile, and then we will form this complex. Alright, so biasanya kita akan buangkan this bond towards here, tapi this doesn't happen, okay, because this Lewis acid is very stable. Alright, okay. So here, this is the complex that we form. Okay, dia ada positive charge dekat bromine, negative charge dekat iron. Okay, sebab iron receive electron, bromine donate, donate lah, donate electron. Okay, alright. So maksudnya sekarang ni, this bromine will be very susceptible to nucleophilic attack. Alright, sebab bromine yang ni ada positive charge. Okay, maksudnya nanti elektron akan masuk sini. Okay, tapi first mestilah ada nucleophile yang akan attack bromine yang ni. Okay, baru boleh buang dia. Okay, and then form Br for FeBr 4-. Right, so sekarang kita akan form adenium ion. Adenium ion tu apa kebendanya? So these are your adenium ions, okay. These are the different structures of your adenium ions. Kita tengok satu je. Kita tengok yang ni sekarang ni. Your adenium ion. Your adenium ion is basically, okay, awak ada benzene ring, but awak dah hilang satu bond. So since awak hilang satu bond, so akan ada positive charge at one of the carbons yang tak cukup elektron tu lah. Okay. Okay, macam mana kita form adenium ion? Let's see here. So you form adenium ion, okay, by using this benzene and then attacking your bromine, whatever electrophile you have. So we are going to attack Br, okay, because tadi kita dah cakap yang dia susceptible to nucleophilic attack. So this bond will go to Br plus, because your Br plus ni wants electrons, okay. So apa akan berlaku? Maksudnya Br akan attach to one of the carbons lah. Okay, so tak kisah which carbon, sebab sama je. Okay, so kita akan form our adenium ions. Alright, our adenium ions. So sekarang kita dah hilang. So this carbon here is the one that is lacking electron. Okay, so sekarang dia ada plus charge here. Alright, yang ni this carbon tak ada plus charge. Kenapa? Sebab dia yang ada Br attached to it. So dia ada 1, 2, 3, 4 bond, cukup. This carbon here ada 1, 2, 3 je bond. Dia ada hydrogen kat sini, tak cukup lagi 1 bond. Alright, So what we're going to do is we are going to delocalize the electrons, okay, untuk tunjuk the resonance structures here. Okay, ini resonance sign of your Adenium ions. So we're going to form the resonance structures of Adenium ions. Alright, how are we going to delocalize our pi electrons? Just using curly arrows. Okay, so move this electron here supaya kita boleh bagi elektron dekat this carbon. So sekarang awak ada double bond dekat sini. So this carbon yang sekarang kurang elektron pula. What are we going to do next? So move lah this pi electron here, right, to this bond. Okay, and then we will get this Adenium ion pula. Okay, so these are resonance structures. Okay, depicted by using these double-headed arrow. Okay, so itu awak punya Adenium ions. So selain Adenium ions, awak akan form juga tadi FeBr4 minus. Betul tak? Kan? Sebab tadi awak dah buang bromine tu kan? Okay, so dah dapat Adenium ions. So now we are going to use any of these Adenium ions to form our aromatic compound again. Alright, by our last step, loss of proton atau deprotonation. So we are going to deprotonate our Adenium ion. Here we have Adenium ion. Kita akan buang this hydrogen, okay, supaya this pair of electrons, okay, boleh masuk sini. Alright, and then kita pun hilanglah our carbocation ion, and then akan dapat double bond kat situ. So how are we going to use that? We are going to use FeBr4 minus tadi. Okay, so depict it this way. Tunjuk macam ni, expand ni, show this bond, because we are going to move these electrons to Br. Okay, kenapa kita nak move? Because iron ni ada negative charge, maksudnya dia dah lebih elektron. So kita boleh buang elektron yang dia ada. Dari sini, donate it to bromine, and then bromine will use the electron pass on itself to capture this hydrogen. Okay, basically deprotonate the Adenium ion. Okay, buang hydrogen ni. So this bond here kena lah pergi somewhere. Mana dia pergi? Dia pergi dekat this single bond. Okay, that is attached to the carbon with positive charge. Okay, kita letak sini. So sekarang kita pun akan form apa? Kita akan form these products. Kita dapat bromo, benzene. Okay, kita dah retain our aromatic compound, our benzene ring that is very stable. Alright, so basically kita buat deprotonation untuk dapat balik our aromatic compound lah, our stable benzene ring ni. Okay, and your byproduct is HBr dengan FeBr3 Lewis acid. Alright, so that's the first mechanism, halogenation reaction.